So we're having bulgogi, and this is the start.
Push that off.
Yeah, and she just pushed that off the plate. And these people next to us are also having bulgogi, and we're cooking it here at our table. And we will watch this as we proceed. Oh, there's the glass noodles, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm lifting it up, dipping it in my plate, which already has bean sprouts and something soy in it. That's a big, thick piece. That's more
Was
than
that a
cabbage.
radish? That's a radish?
Yes, it is.
This is what I had for lunch. Like I said, I'm not sure what it is, but potatoes and some onions and some bean sprouts, I believe. That's what it starts out as, this here. They put some of that into the onto the skillet and fry it. Here, you'll get to see this right now. Okay.
Hi. I was looking for Buddy when I was walking down this massive market, and here I see a guy in khaki eating. He got to sit down like he wanted, and he's got some kind of a big potato pancake with ladies chatting all around him, not with him, but anyway. And when I look up, look at, oh my gosh, this is just the middle of the middle of this ball. And you probably bought your pancakes right over there, where I can see them piled high and being made.